know the use of the useful, but we don't know the use of the useless. Zhuangzi. This means in our day and age, when we look at this in a fitness aspect, is we look at fitness and we say, oh, that's great, it's good for your body. It makes you healthy, and that's what makes it good. Then we take a look at the mental research and we say, actually, this is good for your mental health as well. And then we take a look at the emotional research and we say, oh, this is also good for emotional health. And our conclusion is that this is triply good. This is something that we need to keep doing. This is not quite true. It is in fact the action of doing for one's personal growth that makes that whole thing so powerful. This is essentially self-care. This is the whole iceberg and not just the tip. Now let's look at that in a different way. If we were to be in a house, a cup of water is no big deal. But if you've been stranded in the desert and you have a cup of water, this life-saving, restorative thing then becomes very powerful because of the lack of it. The body is now rejuvenated. This is more to the liking of what self-care is doing in that situation. Now, we've often disregarded the things that we think are useless and say, well, this is useful, this is health, we'll take this, and this is the most important. So today we think that the health challenges we are seeing are from the efforts of today. This is not quite true. We'd say that the things long discarded are going to be the things that are restorative in this aspect. And this is why I say that let us pay attention to the full comprehension of self-care and take note of the usefulness of what once was useless. Thank you.